That's already bigger than last year.
Cut off or not?
Yeah. Well, we can't get to Windsor. We're just at Wilberforce and we've cut off already. The police are gone, everyone seems to think it's okay. Hey look, the water's running that way. See, it's running away from the river?
Yeah.
It's going backwards up into there. Wow. It's because what happens now is the river can't cope. So all the valleys, all the floodplains start pushing back up. They're going to be pushing all the way back up to Riverston, Schofields, Pitt Town. But yeah, that's going inland. Wow. See how the water's running? See the current?
Yeah.
Running in. Look at it, it's flying. Yeah, well that's the water running in from the river. Yeah, so this could be another, oh, it could go up meters and meters. This whole valley's going to fill up. Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
This is already way past last year's floods.
Was it like this bad last year up here?
No, this didn't break because the river dropped real quick.
Yeah.
But this is just constant.
Well,
But that's, look, yeah, it'll be interesting when I get up here. I'll film this rapids.
but
But the river's that way.
Yeah.
Down there, and look, the water's coming this way. It's the beginning of a proper flood. I have to get my little tinny and bring it down here later. What's up?
look how fast it is.
Yeah, but it's coming, the river is that way. This is going this way. This is Gorrick's Lane, just off the turf farms. And this is the Hawkesbury River. So, what with 2 metres off blocking this road off up here. Look at that, the Hawkesbury, that house over the other side. That's the other bank to the Hawkesbury. He looks like he's in water. So cool. G'day mate. Good, just taking a picky off the corner. You don't see this too often, eh? Did you get all your gear up?
Most of it, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wasn't many warnings, was there?
I mean, yeah. Sort of predicted it this time though.
Yeah.
We were convinced it was going to come up this high, but
I sort of felt it was coming, but I was surprised that no one warned anyone. So much more to go, it's not funny. But look at that. Arthur Street and Lookout over the Hawkesbury. These paddocks are all filling up, aren't they?
My assignment on.
Hmm?
For my assignment on that page.
Did you?
Purple means transparent night. Yep.
Did you pass?
Yeah. Well, it was in year 10, so. But yeah, I got like a B or something.
Cool.
But yeah, that's how I know this guy and this lookout, because I did this painting before moving here. And yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, well, that's a painting from this spot
Yeah.
by Harper Street. And,
Yeah, in 1896.
yep.
This time.
Oh yeah, look, yellow.
Who touched it?
Gold tops. We just come through this road half an hour ago. I'll say an hour ago now. Wait, I'm going first. This is a high paddock. Honestly, we drove through here an hour ago. Should have brought our skateboards down. How cool's that? The North Richmond Skateboard Park is in the river. Wow. Can't believe not one skateboarder here.
This is a dead baby bird that I found. A dead baby bird. Pick it up.
Boy. Yeah, I haven't kept my eye out. For fish, not for slipping.
Not for slipping over, clearly.
Wow. It's got a long way to go still, so this is bad, but worse is to come. Much worse is to come. We've got days of rise. Oh wow, it's heaps higher than last year.
Yeah.
We made 11 metres last year. Oh, feel the cold of water. Can I get through here? It's only a footpath. Getting deeper. Just want to get an idea of where I was yesterday to where it is today. Well, I filmed down here yesterday and the bridge was about, I don't know, 3 metres under the water. Last year we made it to 11 metres. So what are we up now? Actually, we've ran out of levels. Here we go. That's 14 metre mark there. Well,
They're about like
there's 14 there.
just under 40.
And it's still rising.
Just under 14.
Hey?
It said just under 14.
Yeah. So it's already 2.5 metres higher than last year.
Oh, there.
What?
Look, just under 14.
Oh, there's
Just
14,
about
so it's
13.
13.2.
Yeah.
That's a better. Well, I'll come back later and see how high it goes.
Math behind it, like the
Well-
statistics behind it.
I've been saying for 3 months this is identical to the 89 floods with everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was working in the cotton back in 89 and it got flooded out. I ended up at Emerald, it got flooded out. Went all the way to Longreach, it got flooded out. Come all the way back to Emerald, it was flooded out. Come back down to Wee Waa, it was flooded out. I come to Sydney, got a job as a brickies labourer, and the 89 floods hit here. It was massive. And we're shaping up for that. It's got a long way to go yet. Like that's 13.2, and I swear that's risen 10 mil. The two, I could see the 2 before, eh?
Yeah.
That's how quick it's rising. That's so cool. Yeah. People just love these floods, man. Look, 2 has disappeared.
Oh yeah, it has.
Wow. They're all bubbling. This creek yesterday, Red Bank, when it was just running through the causeway.
Yeah, I thought it was just up there that was flooded. I didn't
Yeah.
expect this.
No, look, the whole of Red Bank Creek.
Oh my goodness.
Look at it.
Look.
That paddock's about, I don't know, 20 foot
There's
deep.
ducks on it.
Looks so cool. But look at it, all this water's got to get out.
Yeah.
With the river coming up, this is just going to keep coming up. So it's flooded here, but it's flooded over the hill as well.
Yeah, see, I was expecting it just to be up.
Yeah, well that's Red Bank Creek compared to yesterday. Now I walked about 10 minutes down this road, downhill, to get to the Gross River, and as you could have seen on the video I did yesterday, I was standing at the public toilet and then it went down from that. Well today, this is the Gross River here. Look at that. That's up. We'll put it this way, 30 metres? 30 metres? Have to be at least 30 metres. That's the Gross River there. Unbelievable. I walked so far down, I'm just trying to, like, see the steepness of this hill, Hannah? This goes down and down and down, as you know.
Yeah.
We walked for 10 minutes down this hill yesterday to film the floodwater, and today it's here at this gate. That's crazy. That's got to be 30 plus metres.
Yeah.
Like the Gross River is down that valley.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Wow. So all this water's got to come out. Oh, that's just the mud and everything coming out. What's your name?
Addison?
Addison, I'm Aaron. Right, you're officially on YouTube.
Yeah.
And what was your name?
Oliver.
Oliver? Pleased to meet you. I'll leave your mum and dad out of it.
Yeah.
So what do you think? What do you think of the water?
Hi. Hi.
Why haven't you got your canoes and fishing rods down here? Oh, I live for this stuff. Like,
I know.
I just, yeah. I can't believe it. I was down here. I walked down here yesterday. Yeah, it's a 10-minute walk down there.
We watched it.
Yeah, right. You got your own YouTube station, have you?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Addison Munro.
Addison Munro.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll all have a look at it.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. See you guys.
Bye.
This is at this stage, we anticipate a 1 in 50 year event, so it's nothing like we've seen since the 1960s, and it's really important important for everybody to be on high alert.
Bin chicken yesterday said that don't drive on the roads in the rain. It's over the bank now, eh? They're saying 1960 floods. They're evacuating all the pit town now.
1960, all you could see was the tree top.
Yeah,
That's
this is all going to be a lake.
There goes the tree there. Look at that, it's moving now.
Oh yeah,
It's moving now. Actually,
that's a big tree.
that's been there for about hours. Where's that going to hit? Oh, that's hitting fences.
That's hitting fences,
That's
yeah.
fences. Oh, that's that
Oh,
fence.
I just noticed. Look how close it is to the house.
Yeah, that's ripping all their fences. Because that's the ramp to
Yep.
the boat ramp.
Look, we got lake all over there. All in the distance is lake. All across here is lake. And then it's all the way up the turf farms.
Oh, it doesn't care about why, does it? Why it just gets
No.
ripped through. I'll stop like that.
So that's a fresh tree off the bank, just ripped out.
Oh, yeah.
Because I can
ripped
see the
out.
tree.
It's not a
I can
live
see the
tree,
stump.
but it's a
Yeah.
dead tree, yeah. Still, you can't do that because that's been there all 24 hours and that's moved,
Yeah.
just moved in.
Yeah, look, I can sort it. You won't pick it up on the camera, but right through North Richmond's underwater. The best bit about this is we get to witness this flood right through its entirety from up here. No, but they're going to get caught. Well, there's a car in there.
That's why I call some bitch a stupid cow.
Yeah, if I could put that on this.
Oh, no. Okay,
But there
that
is
tree's gone. The tree's gone
Yeah.
somewhere else.
there is 7 cows floating down the river.
Oh,
They're trying to save them now.
I believe it, but
Look at that. There's a full lake out there
I
now.
don't know how you're going to save 7 cows. Do they float? Do they?
Oh,
I don't.
they swim, but
Not for long.
usually you find them in the trees.
Yeah, look at that. That's all joined up
Yeah, right through.
all the way. And that wasn't like that 2 hours ago.
That tower's.
Here's the weird thing. Look at this. I've never seen that before.
Oh wow! Look
Look.
how high it is.
No, up there.
The water.
I didn't know that was the water was there. See?
That's on the terraces.
Yeah, that's no, that's not.
That's where we were today.
Yeah, yeah.
That's above the round. You know, we stopped at the
I don't know.
roundabout.
Yeah,
Yeah.
somewhere there. It's gotta be. That's got to be the roundabout.
You know what it is? It's because it's hitting the bridge. There's a
So
meter.
that's the roundabout through there.
Yeah, well, there's a metre of concrete. So all the way back to the roundabout through the breakaway, and it'll all be lifting up higher than here. Which means that's why it's spilling out there.
Now they are. They're coming to get the cows now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good man.
Oh, I didn't think that load.
A llama farmer. I've never seen a black llama before.
I've never seen
Yeah, everybody's bringing all.
Oh, look at this side.
Oh yeah, look.
Yeah, wow.
Everybody's bringing their caravans up.
Turn right here, mate. Right here.
Wow.
Right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Wow, there's a
They all know.
lot of vans here.
Well, trying to work out like I'd say Norvo would be 3 or 4 metres higher than this still.
Oh yeah, for sure, I think so.
So you just got to sort of work out what's got to come down yet. This will all be under tomorrow. I'm going to come back tomorrow and I bet you this will be water.
That's raging.
Oh, who was that?
High, isn't it?
She's raising quickly.
Yeah, watch out, just that step straight down there.
Well, now I want to try and get to the landing beach. Oh, the water's cold.
Don't grab your canoe.
Oh, there's silt nets and stuff up there. What was that? Too cold.
There's a net in the cables now. No wheels? No, yeah.
Oh shit, I forgot about that.
Classic goals.
When I filmed the floods last year, we could get all the way to Sackville. But this year, look, this is all coming in. Yeah, well,
Where these cattle are gone. This guy's got.
no one gave them warning, mate. They'll be up in the trees. Yeah. But look at that. That's a flood here.
Yeah, it was in Terry.
There's two different level floods here, eh? Oh look, you got a flood here in the paddock, and then you got the creek, which is 2 metres lower, flooding as well.
Currency Creek is flowing backwards. Look.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah. Currency Creek's going inward.
Backwards.
Yeah. Yeah, the river's that way. Yet the creek's running inward. So by tomorrow, this will be just one giant lake in here. This must be coming around from the river. There's too much water. Must be cutting in over there and then coming back around here.
Get the Camry, we're going through.
Oh, I reckon nearly.
We had the Camry.
No.
Not in Jen.
We had the Camry.
Yeah, but look,
Making it.
see on the left-hand side, see that it's only up about a foot.
Not in your wife.
Did you see that?
In the Ivan, I would.
Kingies are busting up.
Kingfish,
Fucking
GTs,
GT's up the end there.
Barramundi.
Today, mate. Don't look good for you. Oh.
Hey, there's no sign.
We just got North Richmond.
Huh?
They said, okay, they come
I
in
reckon the
this way,
Mercedes.
and then ferry across without it.
No, they say bide the signs.
The Mercedes will make it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
There he goes.
Here he goes. You can do it. Oh, he's got it easy. Yeah. That's the road down here is called the Bridge to Nowhere.
What about the ferry?
No, the ferry's floated. It's gone. Yeah, it's impossible. The only way you can get back to Sydney is to go back to North Richmond, up the mountain towards Lithgow. Lithgow, yeah. And when you get to the Bell line, you cut across and you go across to Katoomba. You see a.
Bell Truss. What's that say? What's the
Well, if you go to North Richmond,
Yeah.
chuck a right, and just follow that till you see a sign that says Katoomba,
Yeah. Okay.
which is ours.
Yeah.
And then follow that until you get to see another sign that says Sydney, and then follow that back down.
I see.
Yep.
So we have to go to Katoomba actually. Yeah.
Yeah, you got no choice. There's nowhere else. Oh, there's not one sign for you guys, eh?
No, none.
Nothing.
Nothing.
No.
There's nothing. It even has on the maps.
Yeah,
It even has this is open.
Well, they all get closed. Like we see on the Google.
it's impossible.
Like
Pops up
closed,
and then
closed.
It's impossible.
Yeah.
All the ferries are all. It's impossible.
That's all right. It's all
Yeah.
Good luck.
She seen me. She seen me. Hey, you going, big girl? Oh, what's the matter? Really? I ain't got nothing to feed you. You loving this. You like a pig in mud. Yes, you are.